Hi, I'm Lindsay Ambrose, spiritual leader at Unity of Oak Park and co-creator of the Nurture Method, Mindfulness for Families. Today's message is about truth, a simple word that is filled with so much power. What happens when we live in our truth? It brings a sense of alignment that is felt in our being, in our relationships, in our work, and in our family life. It's not something we can find outside of ourselves. From John chapter 8, and you will know the truth, and the truth will set you free. The message today is all about how to create that practice to turn into your power, to turn into truth, and to live it. And why is that important? Because when we lead and live from that sacred place, our homes, we lay the foundation of love and wholeness for our children. And what a powerful gift to give the next generation, one home at a time. So that scripture, and you will know the truth, and the truth will set you free, was spoken by Jesus. And it's a cornerstone of spiritual understanding. It reminds us that it's not just information, right? That when we truly know it and live from that place of truth, it liberates us from the fear and worry and confusion that can plague our minds so much of our days. So I have this white stone that I keep by my bed. It says truth. Now it's a reminder for me to be in my truth, in alignment, in my integrity. And I have it by my bed because I have this practice that I'm going to share with you that is really powerful for staying in alignment. Each night before I go to bed, I reflect back on the day and I think about those times when I was in my truth. And I know this because I was in flow. I was connecting. I was purposeful. And it's felt in my relationships. It's in my work where I'm creative and I'm showing up as my highest and best. So I reflect back on those times and I think about what led up to it. How did I get into that power? I also look back on the times when I wasn't there, when I was reacting, when I was judging, when I was just not in my highest and best. And we all do this, right? We're humans. We miss the mark at times. When you feel that feeling of not showing up as your best, when you know you are in that judgmental place, judging what you look like, what other people look like, or you're seeing all that's going wrong instead of what's going right, you're not in your alignment. You're not in truth. And that's a cue to pause and return inward. Get back in alignment to truth. Truth brings us into alignment, creating a sense of wholeness, of flow, of purpose that radiates through every part of our lives, our relationships, our family, our well-being. From John chapter 8, and you will know the truth, and the truth will set you free.